Bus. Where the fuck do I park? Weekend, right turn lane, yield to bikes. What the fuck? I gotta find a fucking parking space. Looking downtown. Hey, downtown, because there's not any fucking parking. Is that parking? No, it's not. Where the fuck's the parking over here? Oh, at least on the bike this is easy. Should I? Ah, fuck it, yeah. Give me that fucking ticket, thank you. So, motorcycle Pacific one? Compact. Oh, fuck it, I'll just take this one. I don't see any motorcycle parking unless there is one, but honestly, who will give a fuck? Who would give a fuck about it? All right. Fuck downtown. Yes, I know. I'm the type of person that hates downtown. Well, at least it isn't that bad when I used to live in Vegas. Oh, that was horrible. Horrible when I had to meet my brother over there. Or visit my brother over there. He was like, yeah, let's go over here. It's going to be at the strip, of course. So I was like, fuck, fine. I'll fucking do it. Hate cities. Compact, barely any parking. It's not my type of foray. Wait a minute, this is I think this is the same gas station where I got my heat stroke. Probably. Oh, I see the go. That must be him. Hey.
What's going on, man?
Doing good?
Jacob.
Emilio.
Emilio, nice to meet you, man.
You too, man. Whew, good thing I didn't get lost. Because my sense of directions is god awful. Like, I could literally get lost going straight. That's how bad it is.
On the phone or just you in general?
Just me in general. That's why I need my phone. Hello everyone, I'm back. So today I'm going out with a ride with this dude. So we're going to South Mountain. Yeah. That's a clean bike. Okay, that was a bump. It's a really nice bike.
Want a race? Show off. want to burn you up.
I don't want to burn you up.
I was gonna say, if I put the bike in the back, does that mean I still lose?
Yeah.
I was wanting to do to you when you're on that side.
Exactly. There you go. Don't think about it. No. Oh shit. Give me a butt. Give me your butt. I'm over here. Oh, green light. No. No. It's like no. I know it's like we're trying to go forward. First. No, thank you. Oh, what? What the fuck is this for?
Yeah, I was gonna tell you guys it's closed.
Oh, damn.
Went up and they sent me back down.
I see. Alright, thanks for letting us know, man. It's closed. Let me see. On Sunday, City of Tower and vehicles will be Summit Road. So apparently, it's a Joy of Silence Day that I never heard of.
Where do you want to go instead?
You thirsty?
Not really, but
Want ice cream?
I'm not hungry. I'm not a big eater.
Oh, okay.
I mean, we can go wherever, but
oh, horses. Hey! Okay. My bike almost fell. Horses.
can you take a picture of me?
Sure. My phone's over there.
Okay.
Yep, I got a picture.
No, don't bite. And no gloves taste good. Thanks.
Yep, I'll send it to you. Hi, I should call you Bob.
I always come and pet them when I'm here.
Yeah.
Sorry, I don't have carrots today. No biting. I used to go horseback riding all the time.
Yeah, cause
I just have to say hi again.
Hi, Bob.
What's this piece?
Mic adapter.
Oh, fuck, I need one of those.
Yeah. Just don't get it from Amazon.
Huh?
Just don't get it from Amazon.
Okay.
Because they want $200 for this.
That's actually kind of cool trick.
Yeah, no. It's funny because, like, if you look on this side, if you look on this side of my kickstand,
Oh, you went all the way through.
I know that's because like my back is so heavy. Trying to get my keys. Can this fly get the fuck out of me? Fly, get the fuck out. Alright. Hey, you found this place? God, this is so fucking sketchy. Holy shit. This is cool. God damn! You found, and you just randomly found this.
What's that?
And you just randomly found this, right?
Yeah.
That's a fucking mountain.
Yeah, these are all about $5, $10, $15 million houses.
Must be nice. Ooh, good.
So this used to be a hiking trail, but it's kind of closed off now.
What is that?
I'm guessing rich people want more land.
I guess so.
You want water?
Sure. Alright. We're going home now. You know, we're going to the Tempe Marketplace. Okay. We were going to take a picture, but since it's so... since we were going to take a picture right about over here, but the road was so steep. My bike, it's too heavy basically, and it's going to fall over. Even though it's up on the kickstand, so it's like, nope. I think we both like that, man. I mean, okay.